Slow cook on low taking forever? Fix it fast. Low is designed for gentle all-day cooking, but here's how to avoid waiting longer than you should. Step 1. Understand low versus high. Low is meant for long, gentle cooks. 6 to 12 hours is normal. If a recipe calls for 8 hours on low, it isn't supposed to finish quickly. Use high if you need the same dish in about half the time. Step 2. Preheat before loading food. The cooker takes longer to stabilize if you add cold food straight from the fridge. Let the unit heat for 5 minutes before adding ingredients, or let meat and veg sit at room temperature for a short while. This helps low reach its steady simmer faster. Step 3. Use enough liquid. Always include at least 1 cup, about 250 milliliters, of broth, stock, or sauce in the pot. Too little liquid makes the cooker struggle to maintain gentle heat, slowing things down. Step 4. Keep the lid closed. Every time you lift the lid, you lose heat and extend the cooking time by around 15 to 20 minutes. Resist checking too often so low can do its job without resetting the clock. Step 5. Verify doneness with a thermometer. If it feels like low never finishes, the food may already be safe. Use a digital kitchen thermometer. I've linked the one I use in the description. It gives you exact internal temperatures so you know when meat and poultry are fully cooked, even if the timer still has hours left. If slow cook low still seems to lag after these checks, the cooker may need service. Use the support link in the description before your next cook. If this helped you get results on low, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a digital kitchen thermometer, I've linked the one I use below. It keeps your slow cook safe and precise without waiting longer than necessary. Thanks for watching, and cook slow, not endless.